Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1970 Ford Mach 1 finished in this beautiful green color, white interior, clean engine compartment. It's got a 351 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and the big Ford 9-inch rear end. Paint and body on the car is in really good condition. I would rate this paint a number 7.5, 8 out of a 10. It's not perfect, but it's really nice. And the interior is most likely 8.5 out of a 10 on the interior. Runs and drives excellent, no overheating issues. And we're definitely gonna go for a little test drive. Just wanted to show you guys everything around the car first. Let's go for a little drive. Trunk is very clean. Interior is very clean. All the door jambs are nice. Door panels. Dash pad, headliner, back seat. Looks like that back seat part folds down. I'm not 100%. I never tried, but it looks like it does. Let's go for a quick ride. We've already taken this Mach 1 on a 35-mile test drive earlier today. No overheating issues, and everything functions on the Mach 1. Brakes work well. I love the wooden steering wheel, and I definitely love the 4-speed manual transmission. Nice center console. Both windows roll up nice and easy. Dual sport mirrors. Love the hood scoop as well. And also the turn signals, as you can see right there in front, work on the scoop. A lot of cops around here because of us. No, just kidding. Wow. Definitely's got some power, guys. Brakes feel great. It shifts nice and easy, and with the power steering it just turns like butter. Do a quick U-turn here. The horn button's making a little noise. Oh, it's classy, man! Whoa! Oh yeah! Man, oh man! You gotta love these 351s backing up on a Hurst 4-speed shifter. I don't know, man. I love this job. I get so excited driving these muscle cars. It's so freaking awesome. Listen, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen. I got something cool coming in tomorrow. I want you guys to check out as well. If you're on Facebook, like and share it to your friends. It's all good, man. It's all fun and games. These are great tangible assets, guys. They're increasing in value like crazy. Listen, let me just shut this car off real quick. I just want to talk a little bit more about some other things. So, give me 1 second. Let me get out of this thing. All right. So, listen, for those of you who need financing on the Mach 1, it's not a problem. Okay, a lot of people are like, how do you finance a 50-year-old car? Well, we do. We do finance 50-year-old cars. It really depends on your credit score, right? So now listen carefully. If your credit score is like 600 to like 740, you would need about 10% down, okay? That interest rate's between 5 and 7%. Rates are going up, so take advantage on today's interest rates. You can fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com, okay? So we can get that financed to you guys. Now, for those of you who have a better credit score, 750 and higher, definitely no money down options are available to you guys if you have over 750 credit score that we can offer. Rates are a little bit less. They're between 3.5 to 5%, okay, with no money down. So you can go directly to my lender at lightstream.com and fill out the credit application. So I think I talked about everything on the car. Please check out the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, guys. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear your comments. Talk soon. Bye-bye.